What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be looking at 10 websites you should definitely know about. So let's get straight into it. First up, we have Send Anywhere, which is going to allow you to send any file anywhere quite easily. All you have to do is to come here, select a file and send it, and it's going to give you a link that you can share with the person who is going to receive the file. All he has to do is come here and put in the link here or put in the code here, and he's going to receive the file. So this is a quick and easy way to send files through your phone, to and fro your phone, to and fro your computers, or to your phone, or from your phone to your computer. So it just easily allows you to send files over the internet quite easily. I like it a lot and I use it very often. The next website we have is Text Faces. So back in the days we didn't have emojis, so we had to make do with characters, and so this is a website that allows you to have all those characters where you can send funny faces to people quite easily. It works with ASCII codes, so it's going to work in whatever website you put it on. So you can come here and easily just copy any of them and use them wherever you want to use them. So next up we have Google Translate. Definitely, if you are speaking multiple languages or if you're trying to speak in a different language, you will need a tool to help you better or make sure that you're speaking correctly. So I definitely like this tool. It allows me to easily translate from one language to another and feel confident of myself. Keep in mind that this is not perfect, but it's a good starter for anybody who is trying to do translation. So you can definitely use it. It equally works with audio as well. You can record your voice and it's going to translate. It's going to transcribe what you're saying and reproduce it. You can also translate images, you can also translate documents, you can also translate even full websites. So it has definitely come far from back in the days. You definitely use it and it's going to help you. Moving on to the next, did you know we have a free school online with unlimited materials? Well, that's a project of the Khan Academy, which seeks to create an online school with free materials and give education basically to everybody all around the world. So their main source of income is through donations, so everything here is free. You have access to materials for all grades and all classes, at least for the secondary school. So definitely check it out. No matter your class, you can come here, look at the different materials and really study completely for free. They have a whole lot of resources. You can definitely check it out. High school biology, for example. If you come on here, let's see the content that's going to be available. So here you can see ecology from cells to organisms and so on and so forth. So you have different materials. It's really well documented and they have put a lot of things. They have quizzes and they equally offer certification. So definitely, if you're looking for free resources to learn, whether you're in high school, primary school, but not yet university level, at least you can check out this website to have all those free resources. Next up, we have fast.com, simply fast.com, which is going to allow you to measure the speed of your internet. So just come onto the website, automatically it's going to measure the speed of your internet. You can reset it to calculate it one more time. Moving on to the next website, we have Alternative TO. I think it's Alternative 2. So all you have to do here is to come in here, put in the name of a software, and it's going to find all the alternatives that exist for that piece of software. At least what are the most popular that exist. It's going to show you that. So we have VLC. It's going to look for some alternatives to VLC. So here you can see some examples and it has a huge list of those. So all you need to do is just enter the software you're looking for and it's going to find alternatives to that. It's very useful. Definitely check it out. Moving on to the next, we have Cloud Convert. If you're trying to convert a file to any other format, you can easily use this. You can convert the file from your computer, from a URL, from a Google Drive, from a OneDrive, and so on and so forth. And it's going to convert it to over 200 formats easily. There are equally some other tools here, not just a file converter. You have an image converter, a presentation converter, a spreadsheet converter, video converter, and so on and so forth. You have many tools on here. Cloud Convert is definitely one of those tools that really comes in handy when you want to make conversions. So definitely check it out. Another website you should know about is the Wayback Machine. And so what's the Wayback Machine? Basically, it's the Internet Archive. You have internet, the internet is present, is constantly evolving, websites are constantly changing, content is constantly being put and deleted, and basically the mission of this group is to kind of keep records of all websites or everything that happens in the internet. Don't ask me how they do it. I guess they have huge data centers. But let's take an example for let's see. For example, if I just type in here YouTube. So basically what it's going to do is that it's going to show me the YouTube website, but not just the ordinary YouTube website that you have. It's going to show me the YouTube website at every particular period in time. I don't know if you understood that clearly. It's going to show me the YouTube website at every particular period in time. So I'll be easily able to select the version of YouTube that existed at a particular date. So here's how it works. So it loads the page of YouTube and you can see the date that this version of YouTube existed, August 24th, 2024. So I can come back, click to come back on, and even go right up to 19. Look at right now, I can go up to 2004 to check out the first version of YouTube or the first versions of YouTube that existed. So here you have it. This is what YouTube looked like back in August 31st, 2005. This is what YouTube looked like. It wasn't great. It was actually very simple, and you can see here the different sections they had and how it looked like. And so throughout time, you see how it evolved. You can see the chart on here that shows you basically, I'm guessing is the usage of how it increased with time on and on. I'm not sure if it's the usage or anything. I can't tell what this graph is supposed to represent, but I'm guessing it's usage. See, through time it increased. So, but this is the version of YouTube back in 2005. This is what it looked like. You can still go in 2009, for example, what the YouTube looked like back then. This is the YouTube version. This is how it looked like in 2009. And so you can see the whole evolution of YouTube. So basically this is what this website allows you to do, is keeping track of all the different versions of different websites and files that exist throughout the internet, and you can have an easy history of them. So that's why it's called a Wayback Machine. It's definitely an amazing software. It's definitely an amazing website. Sorry, you should definitely check it out. Then finally you have our last website, which is basically, it's called actually 100,000 stars, I believe, 100,000 stars, and it basically allows you to explore the universe. So coming here, you can easily zoom into the universe, you can zoom into the galaxies and look at the different stars that currently exist or that have been discovered so far. You can keep on zooming, you can explore them, look at their names. Here we have the sun. We're going to try to enter into the sun, 1 light year away. The more we zoom, the closer we get to it. So we're going to try to zoom in, and then there we have it. There's the sun. So basically this website is going to allow you to explore the different stars in space and just kind of see what they look like. So if you don't have a telescope, at least you have this, which is going to allow you to do some exploration of some sort. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. It's amazing. It's great to see, and you get to explore some wonderful imagery. So there you have it. Those are the 10 websites that you should definitely know exist out there. So what is your favorite one? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.